Christmas is the best time of the year. One thing I really look forward to is the Body Shop's advent calendars. You know, you don't really know what you're gonna get. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome back to my channel. We all know that Christmas is the best time of the year and it's coming up really soon. One thing I really look forward to is the Body Shop's advent calendars. Last year I did a full YouTube video just unboxing the advent calendars from the Body Shop, and this year we're back again. And I really look forward to them because they are, number one, really cute, and I'm super excited about their graphics all the time. The Body Shop is also a brand that dedicates themselves to doing good for the earth, for the society. And I feel like this year, more than ever, we would need more love and support from each other. So this Christmas, the Body Shop Singapore has tied up with Daughters of Tomorrow, where they'll be donating 10 cents per transaction that are made both in their official online and offline stores. They'll go into helping underprivileged women in their journeys back to work. So apart from shopping for yourselves, your loved ones, you can also feel assured and be happy about your purchases going to helping someone in need. We care better when we care together. There are 3 advent calendars in total in the entire range. So we have the ultimate one, which is the biggest one. We've got the big advent, which is the middle-sized one, and we also have an entry advent calendar. Today, we will unbox these 2, and I'm just gonna let you guys have a sneak peek of what you're gonna be getting and just do a review whether or not I feel like they're worth it. So let's get started. I personally love advent calendars. As you all know, advent calendars, there are 25 different gifts inside. You know, you don't really know what you're gonna get, but every single day from 1st of December all the way till Christmas, you get to open up something. And usually at my Christmas parties with my friends, I'll bring one whole box, and then I will do this like little game thing where I will just number paper from number 1 to 25, and everyone will get a lucky draw of sorts. Every single one has been nicely selected and curated by the Body Shop. So I feel like it's just so nice and joyous. So we have here the Ultimate Advent Calendar. So this is going for $229 and the value is $476, which is a whopping 51% in savings. I'm the most excited about this part. Which one should we go with? Okay, let's go with like the big one. Let's see what's in here. Whoa! So this is a 100 ml, the Body Shop Almond Hand and Nail Manicure Cream. So this is a really big full-size one. I think like it's quite worth it. Especially now, right? Because we have been using a lot of hand sanitizers. I feel like we need hand creams more than before. So this is a good gift. When you take out each of them, you will actually realize that there is a little quote on the side of the box. This one, call someone you haven't in forever to tell them how much you love them. I love you. Okay, let's open them up. So this is a cute little strawberry, the Body Shop lip butter. Who doesn't love the Body Shop scents? Let's open this one up. Wow, you actually get a whole bottle of the Drops of Youth Concentrate. This one is the 30 ml bottle, and I've tried this before. It's really good for city skin. So if you've been exposed to a lot of pollution, you face irritated, sensitive skin, this is actually a really good serum to have. This is like playing a jigsaw puzzle game. Okay, let's see like number 15. Berry Bath Blend Hydrating Bath Foam. This is actually a full size. We've got a matte liquid lipstick. So I like that this color is actually very wearable. I feel like it's something that everyone would be okay with using, and it suits all skin tones. Don't buy a tree. Do good for the planet and decorate your favorite house plants. Growing up, my family never really celebrated Christmas that much. As kids, right, we love Christmas because it just meant good food and lots of presents. Usually we like to kind of get ourselves into the Christmas mood just by putting fairy lights on like my mom's plants and like just decorating them, pretending that we have like presents and putting them under these plants, you know. So I think that's actually a really good memory that it brought back. Ooh, the Body Shop Mango Shower Gel. I can smell this all day. It smells like sweet, citrusy, but yet refreshing. We have another shower gel, and this one is also the full 250 ml one. Pink grapefruit. I think this is such a good way to try out a whole bunch of products from the Body Shop, and you get them at 51% discount. It's really good value for money. At the same time, you make yourself happy, and these boxes are actually reusable as well. Like the box is very, very sturdy, so I'm still keeping last year and the years before advent calendar boxes because I use them to store some of my jewelry, some of my makeup products, and they make really, really nice like gift boxes as well. So we have here the huge one. Almond milk and honey body butter. I've tried this myself, and trust me, it's extremely luxurious and rich. If you have super dry skin, or if you are always in like an air-conditioned room, or if you always travel to very cold countries, this one is really a skin lifesaver. So I'm gonna be unboxing all 25 of them, and I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna be getting. So these are all the products that you can find in the Ultimate Advent Calendar, and once again, I feel like it's super worth it. Like almost every single product is full size, almost. You get things like the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. This one is really good for purifying your skin. If you have oily skin, congested skin, this one is really good. Personal favorites would be the Almond Milk and Honey Body Butter. We even have like a Vitamin E Gentle Facial Wash, 2 sheet masks, more body washes. We have the banana shampoo as well as conditioner, even a facial mask brush. So if you're a big fan of using tub masks, you know, using this to apply your face mask will be such a breeze. And you even get this cute little headband that you can wear when you wash your face, or if you just want to wear it to work out and all that, is also cool. Now let's move on to the big advent calendar over here, and let's unbox it. This one is going for $109, but it's worth $278, so that is a whopping 60.7% discount. Dun, 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 dun. Even though it's going for a little bit more affordable, you still get 25 gifts. So I'm gonna start unboxing with the biggest one. I can smell it already. It smells very fruity. Dun, 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 dun. You get a banana shampoo. This is also the full size, 250 ml. Let's do this cute little snowman. I've been eyeing on him. Pamper while you watch your favorite Christmas movie together. Oh, this is a travel size Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. This one is really good for, you know, staycations. This is a really nice Vitamin E Moisture Cream. Wow, it smells really nice. It has a nice floral-ish scent, but it's not too strong. And I've heard a lot about this Vitamin E cream, that apparently it helps to repair your skin and it helps to hydrate it. It feels nice and soft. Quite lightweight on the skin as well. And I think the scent is something that is so relaxing. So we have number 24. Yeah, this is a sheet mask. So this is the Seaweed Balanced Sheet Mask. See this one? So cute. Is it a recyclable milk carton? And we have here a cute little travel size pink grapefruit shower gel. Okay, let's go with this. Number 25. This is also a full size of the Almond Milk and Honey Body Butter. We have another headband as well. Okay, so I'm gonna start unboxing all of them and show you guys what you're gonna get. So this is all you'll be getting in the big advent calendar, and I think it's a really nice variety of things. So you not only have lip butter, you also have like body scrubs. Same thing, you have a headband, 3 sheet masks, you even have a cute little bath lily, the Body Shop Coconut Exfoliating Cream Body Scrub. But I feel like 50 ml is a really good size if you are trying it for the first time. You know, you don't know if you want to purchase the full bottle, but at the same time, you feel like sample packs are too small. This one helps to just exfoliate your skin, make it soft and smooth. So we have here some bath bubbles as well. They are limited edition. So we have the coconut one, and we also have the pink grapefruit one. So if you're planning a staycation this holiday, I think these are such easy to carry around little bath bubbles. Pop them in your bathtub. The mango lip butter, and this one smells so good. It's really nice and sweet, but at the same time fruity. Okay, so it looks very nice like this. It's very soft. Just has a nice layer of oil that just melts. I'm gonna put it at the back of my hand. Nice creamy texture, but at the same time it's not gonna leave you with a lot of residue. As you see, it's already absorbed into my skin quite well. But most importantly, it is now very hydrated, and the smell is super nice. I just keep smelling it. Cannot stop smelling it. So let's try a hand cream. So this is the coconut scent. I mean, I've tried the Body Shop hand creams like for many years and I really like them. Smells really like fresh coconut. It's on the a bit slightly sweeter side, but I really like that, you know, it is not too rich. It's nicely hydrating on the skin. It's nicely absorbed. It's very lightweight as well. And I feel like hand creams are such unisex, universal gifts because anyone can use a hand cream. So after unboxing both the advent calendars, I feel like it's really quite an inspiring process because, you know, of all these little quotes and how the Body Shop actually puts in little nuggets here and there to remind you that we all have a part to play in our community. I am so proud of the Body Shop that they are partnering up with Daughters of Tomorrow. So the advent calendars are available on Lazada and in stores on these dates. So do remember to go and check them out. And with that, let's make it real together this Christmas with the Body Shop. I'll see you next time. Bye!